Hello guys, how's it going? What's up? Ahmed here. In today's video, you're about to watch my video, and as you saw in my thumbnail, tutor permissions. So if you are a Cambly student and you have social media accounts and you want like to post your sessions on let's say YouTube or Instagram or any social media accounts, so you have to ask your tutor permission before you post that video, because you have to take that responsibility and you have to respect the privacy of those tutors. So why I'm doing this video, because some of my Cambly tutors have complained being like featured on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, without taking their permission. But actually I didn't do that. Like, I used to share my Cambly sessions with the I have to ask their permission before I post these videos, whether I message them or ask them during the sessions. Okay, and in a few seconds you will see a few parts of my tutors that I was asking their permission, okay, and put them on my YouTube channel. So I wouldn't do that without their consent, okay. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for believing me. And if you are like a Cambly tutor, and if you don't like to be on my YouTube channel, please don't say yes and then say no. If you don't want to be on my YouTube channel, don't say yes to me, okay? And I will not pressure you. I'm just asking you guys. That's it. Thank you. I will let you watching my whole video. Just want to tell you something.
Of course.
Georgia.
Yeah.
I pronounced it right.
Yeah.
Georgia. Right?
Perfect. Yes.
Yeah. I work for Cambly, an ambassador. So I have like a partnership with Cambly,
Cool.
and I'm promoting Cambly on YouTube.
Okay.
So I have a YouTube channel, and I used to share my Cambly's videos on YouTube.
Yep.
Promoting Cambly at the first level, and the second level to encourage people to learn about English. And some of them, they struggle to speak with native English speakers. So I really would like to share this video on YouTube, but I have to ask your permission.
Of course. Yeah. I'm totally happy with that. Yep, you can share this.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So Andrew, I want to ask you something. I have a YouTube channel. I have created this channel since the pandemic started.
Okay.
And since I started improving my English. So this channel about sharing my experience on YouTube to show other people it's really easy to communicate with native English speakers, because they are still struggling to speak with native English speakers. They have fears. So I'm sharing these Cambly sessions. So would you mind if I share this video on YouTube, on my YouTube channel?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
Thank you.
What's your
You are
channel called?
awesome. My channel, you can write Ahmed Al Bejawi.
Okay.
You Kerry, I want to tell you something. I want to have your permission with something. I run a small YouTube channel on YouTube, and I used to share my Cambly sessions on YouTube along with my tutors, and I used to do that since 2020 until now. And if you get into my channel, you will see my first video. My English was awful. And then after 2 months, my English was no, it's I can't make words, make sentences. I like to create this experience and journey and show the people English people it's easy to understand, And if you guys like want to improve their English, you don't have to worry about speaking with native English speakers, because some of them, they have like fears to speak with native English speakers.
Absolutely. I completely understand their fear. It is always intimidating speaking a different language with a person who has that as their native tongue. But yeah, I mean, I think Cambly is a fantastic place to create a safe environment where students can feel comfortable to practice it.
Yeah, exactly. So I just want your permission to post this video on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much. You can subscribe to my channel under name Ahmed Cambly.
Okay, perfect. I will take a look.
You'll see me.
Before I go, definitely. Before I go, I want to just ask your permission to upload this session on my YouTube channel.
Absolutely,
can I have your permission?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Send me the link as well. Yeah, many students do.
I want to ask you, can I would like to share this video on YouTube. Can I pick out some video?
Okay.
Would you mind?
Yep. No, go ahead.
Yeah, I will share the funny stuff.
Definitely. Okay.
So Natalie, I just want to have your permission. I have a YouTube channel where I'm sharing my Cambly session on YouTube. So I am motivating people who are just struggling to speak with native English speakers. So I motivate them by posting my videos on YouTube. So I would like to post this video on YouTube, but I want your permission.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, I don't mind.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm gonna
You got many videos on YouTube?
Yeah, almost 200 videos, and I have 10,000 subscribers.
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah.
So cool.
Before we get into into this lesson, I have to ask your permission. I have a YouTube channel, and I used to share my Cambly sessions on YouTube to encourage the people who are still struggling to speak with native English speakers. So, would you mind if I share this video?
Not at all. I don't have any problem whatsoever. No.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So Ingrid, I just want to ask you your permission to upload this session on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber, and I used to share my Cambly sessions on YouTube to help other people who are still struggling to speak with native English speakers. They have fears to speak with them. So I motivate people. So would you mind if I share this video conversation on my YouTube channel?
You know, I mean, usually I'm a bit reserved, but I don't know. I think, yes, share it. Yes.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will mention your name and your profile link on my description box, so you will get more reservations through my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ahmed.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.